STAD solution is just not about theory. They make sure you understand how to things work in real world. Shreya Singh, I have done B in electronics and communication. I joined STAD Solution to shift my career into IT, and I am happy I chose the right place. They provide excellent training in both manual and automation with proper hands-on practice. The trainer uses real-world examples, and we worked on a multiple practical projects. And I also learned about Selenium with Java. Today, it's very important for testing job. The environment is supportive and positive. They never hesitate to clear out doubts. STAT solution is just not about theory. They make sure you understand how to things work in real world. Truly best institute for software testing.